We have all experienced anxiety at some point in our life, and each of us experience it differently. The problem happens when being anxious becomes a constant companion with everything that we do. For some of us, anxiety is that feeling of restlessness that we feel in our chest. For the others, it could be the constant mental chatter. But the most simple and effective way to help us deal with this is our breath. Let's begin the practice by coming to sit in a comfortable seated position. I'm going to be doing it sitting in Sukhasana, but you can sit in Siddhasana, Siddhayoniasana, Vajrasana, or Padmasana. It's completely what you're comfortable doing. If it's difficult to sit on the mat, you can always sit on the chair or on your bed. Just remember to keep your back straight. You can take the support of the backrest, or if you're like me sitting on the floor, you can take the support of the wall. The second thing is that is a constant tendency for us, or it's really common for us to tense up our shoulders, hold our jaws tight. The easiest way is to maintain a good distance between the tip of your ear and shoulder. And second is to try and maintain a smile, so it kind of relaxes the muscles in your face. And the third important thing to remember is to do this practice in a room that there is enough air circulating and it's not stagnant or dusty. Because pranayama is the practice to elevate our prana. And this, what fuels this prana here is the air that is surrounding you. So it's important that you have clean, fresh air. So we'll begin the practice by bringing our right hand to rest on our abdomen, left on our chest. Take a deep inhalation. As you exhale, close your eyes. Bringing all your awareness to the movement beneath your palms. Noticing the rise and fall of your chest, the movement in your abdomen. Becoming aware of your breath, observing the air moving in through your nose and out through your nose. The next time you breathe in, gently pushing your belly into your palm, opening your chest, slightly pulling back your shoulders, creating this nice length in your front body and expansion in your chest. And as you exhale, letting the abdomen sink, chest collapses, shoulders relax. 2 more rounds like this. Inhale, push the belly into your palm, open your chest, open your shoulders. Exhale, belly collapses, chest relaxes, shoulders relax. Last one. Completely exhale. The next time you breathe out, we'll chant 1 round of Om, noticing the vibrations beneath our palms. The first practice that we're going to be doing is Samavritti Pranayama, or equal breaths, where the inhalation and exhalation is of equal length. You can choose what ratio you want to do this in, either 2:2, 4:4, 8:8. So we'll start by resting our hands on our thighs or knees in receiving position. You can adopt Chin Mudra or simply keep your palms open. Take a deep inhalation, completely exhale. Relax your shoulders, close your eyes. Inhale for 4 and exhale for 4 through both your nostrils. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, count in your mind. Exhale. Round 3. Inhale. Exhale. On your own, 2 more rounds. Simply stay here, just noticing the slow, continuous rhythm of your breath. The next practice that we're going to be doing is Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. This practice brings about a balance in how we are breathing, our body, our thoughts, our emotions. So adopt Chin Mudra in your left hand where your index and thumb touch. Nasika Mudra in your right, where your thumb opens and closes your right nostril. The ring finger opens and closes the left nostril. The pointer and middle finger can rest in the space between your eyebrows, or you can fold it into your palms. For the first one, we're going to simply breathe out completely to the left nostril and then breathe in through the left, out through the right, in through the right, and out through your left. Now we'll add counts to this. We're going to do 5 rounds together. Inhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, count in your mind. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Round 3. Inhale. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. 2 rounds on your own. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Completely exhale. Last round. Whenever you're done, just drop your hands down. Bring your awareness to your nose. Breathe in through both your nostrils. Breathe out through both. The last practice that we're going to be doing is Brahari Pranayama. This is a pranayama where we are producing sound. It's like the buzzing of a bee, so it's also called a bee's breath. So we're going to hum the n sound. When I say run, the end part of it, the end part, and you're going to extend this all through your exhalation. I'm going to show you the most simplest position that you can use in your hands, but there are advanced mudras that you can practice with. Here, you have this little piece of cartilage on the outside of your ear, the tragus. With your thumb, cover that so that there is no air. You're not like pressing where it hurts, but cover it like a flap. On both sides, the tip of your fingers come to rest on the bridge of your nose. You are not pressing your eyeballs, remember that. Second, again, you can exhale completely to kind of relax your body. This is when you raise your hands, you tend to tense your shoulders. You're going to place the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth and press the tip against the roof of the mouth. Your lips may stay slightly apart, and we're going to do the sound. This practice creates a lot of resonance in your face and head region. Initially, we tend to feel more in our neck. With practice, you're going to feel that all through our body. This practice is very soothing, very calming for the nervous system. Just remember to keep your body relaxed. Take a deep breath in. Press the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth. Extend as long as you can. We'll do 4 more rounds together. Noticing the silence between each exhalation. Just 2 rounds. Last round together. Slowly drop your hands down. One deep inhalation, fully exhale. Stay here for a few more breaths, just observing the stillness all through your body, the slow pace of your breath, the calmness in your mind. Thank you so much for joining me for today's practice. I hope you feel completely calm and centered. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of our 9-day pranayama journey. Namaste.